Right, looking at this first angle orthographic projection over here, they've given us a front view over here, which gives you the length of 50 and the height of 45 over there, and you've got a width of 40 over there. So I'm going to start out by looking at getting those three major dimensions over here. I'm going to measure up 2 blocks over there, starting point over there, and I'm going to measure with a construction line. I'm just going to draw that construction line coming across over there, and I'm going to measure out 50 millimeters because the length is represented in my front view. Make a little arrow over there. I then measure up 45 millimeters. Okay, 45 millimeters, that would be over there. And I can draw a construction line going up 45 millimeters up to that point over there. Let's just draw a construction line coming across over there at the height. I'm going to drop that line down into the top view as well, and I'm going to drop a line down over here into the top view. Right, I then come over here and I measure down 2 blocks in my top view, and I'm going to draw a line going across. Okay, and you can see that the length over there is the same as the length in the front view. All right, the front view is a little bit more challenging than the last one. We need to measure up over here. It says 15 millimeters. So I'm coming across over here and I'm going to measure up 15 millimeters. Let's just do that. Measuring 15 millimeters up, just draw a little arrow over there, and I'm going to draw a construction line coming across there. Let's just use a slightly different color so that you can see this idea. You find a nice blue crayon, sharpen that up. Make sure that you're using sharp pencils the whole time. All right, there we go, nice sharp pencil. And I'm going to measure up 15 millimeters. So up 15 millimeters, and I draw a construction line. I'm going to take that across over there. Okay, taking it across into my left view over there. I then need to measure 25 millimeters coming across over here at the top. So I come along here and I measure 25 millimeters coming across. Put a little arrow over there, and I'm going to drop that down into my front view and my top view. Right, let's have a look. It says over here the width of this thing is 40 millimeters. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to measure 40 millimeters down and draw a little arrow over there, and I'm going to draw a construction line coming all the way across over there. Right, what does my front view look like? I'm going to darken in a line coming all the way from the top, and that is 45 millimeters coming down. I then come along here and I measure 50 millimeters across at the bottom. Okay, you can see the construction lines helping me to draw this. 15 millimeters going up over here. Comes across over here to this construction line that I dropped down from that 25 millimeters across. Drop that down over there and draw a line going across. You can see that L shape that you've got over there is now represented in my drawing. Just want to check that. Yep, that is correct. Right. Okay, my top view. What is it going to look like from the top? Well, if I'm a little bird, I'm looking down over here. What am I going to see if I'm looking straight down on top of it? I'm going to be able to see a line going at the back there, a line going at the front there, and I'm going to be able to see a line for this corner at the top there. I'm going to be able to see a line going across the top over there for that corner, and obviously a line going across from that corner over there. Right, so I've got that in place. I can now look at drawing that left view. Now you'll see that I've got some lines going across there. I've also got some lines going across here. I want to be able to transfer what I've got over here into this view, and the way that I do that is I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blocks, 11 blocks, 12 blocks, say, going down, and I'm going to do the same over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 blocks over there. I'm going to drop a construction line coming down, and I'm going to draw a construction line coming across from the 12th block, and that will give me a 45-degree angle, which I can now draw in from that corner over there, going all the way down here. that 45-degree angle is going to help me in order to transfer these measurements across. You can see this construction line coming across over here, and I'm going to be able to draw that construction line going up into my view. There it goes. And I come along here, see that construction line coming across there, and I'm going to be able to draw a construction line coming up. Note the width over here is going to be transferred to a width over here, and it's the same width that is transferred. I'm going to be able to see a line at the edge like that. I'm going to be able to see a line at the edge like that. I'm going to be able to see the bottom of it. I'm going to be able to see the top of it. And if I'm standing over here looking across at this thing, I'm going to be able to see that little corner as well. So I've got an edge going across there where that corner is. And that is my left view. So I've got a front view showing a length and a height. I've got a top view showing a length and a width. And I've got a left view over here, left view showing a width and a height over there. So that's the left view, the top view, and the front view. Right, there we go. There is our first angle orthographic projection done.